we're going to assemble the handle. This is quite simple. We take the O-ring. This is the locking device. This is the flat side out, and we put it over the pin connector, and we run it the entire length of the cable right to the back of the motor. And we take the motor and we attach the handle to the motor, just like that. Then the two pieces together with the locking device are put into the handle. Only goes one way, won't fit in this way because it's small, fits in the back. And the key, the circular device with the little notch up, snaps right into place on the handle. Last but not least, we take the little wing nut and we slide that in, and that holds everything in place. Now your handle assembly is ready for the cannula coupler, which fits onto the front of the handle. And that's got a nice long thread, and that'll go right down there.